Greetings dear children. In this class, we'll be learning letter writing. Let's look at the format of formal letter. Formal letter, first address, that is sender's address, your address. Address to be written in 3 lines. After address, you should mention date. The same format as it is given, you can just look at that, 26th June 2023. The date of exam, that date to be mentioned. This is the only accepted format. 26th June, J, month, first letter should be capital, 2023. After that, address of the recipient. To whom are you sending the letter? To the principal, to the manager, to the class teacher. You should mention the article, the principal, the class teacher, the manager, then the address. Here also the same rule is applied. 3 lines address is accepted. After to address, salutation. 2 formats are seen here. Dear sir, comma, or dear madam. Only one. You are not supposed to write both the format in one line. Either dear sir or dear madam. Ensure the comma is put. Otherwise, minus half it is. Then comes the body of the letter. You can follow this format. Opening sentence must clearly state your purpose. What is the content? In short, in 2 lines, you are mentioning it. What is the content? I write this letter to draw your attention towards so and so. The problem, whatever the problem, that you are supposed to mention in 1 or 2 lines. Then you are going to detail the problem in the second paragraph. Second paragraph, which deals with what all are the problems which you are facing. That when we just look at the letter, I'll detail it. The problems you should mention, and the closing sentences must convey your response you expect. That means a suggestion. What is the response you are going to get from the authorities? So there you are mentioning solution to the problem which you are facing. Then thanking you. After that, closing subscription, yours faithfully or yours truly. Both the format is accepted. I suggest you to learn only one format. Yours faithfully you can. The reason is truly you may make mistake. Spelling true, T-R-U-E. When you add L-Y, then you may add the letter E there. So there is a chance to make mistake. So better yours faithfully, then comma. After that, your full name. Suppose you have only one name. There is no initial to that. Only Deepa is the name. Okay, there is no initial. So what can you do is you can add your parents' name, either father or mother. You can add the name to your name. Make it full name. 2 names will be there. Or initial, the first letter, that can be added. Let's look at the letter now. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper complaining about the irregular water supply in your locality. First, from address, that is your address. 3 lines are there. Number is mentioned, house number, door number, apartment number, then which cross, that is also added. Next, locality, it is Defense Colony, Bangalore, and pin code 33. 3 lines it is mentioned. So as I told that date of exam, the date you are writing the letter. So today 26, so I have mentioned it as 26th June, 2023. Year to be mentioned. Remember, when you write board exam, it will be 2024. I will update it later. So right now you have to write it as 26th June, J, capital letter, month which begins with capital letter. So first letter is capital, proper noun it is. After that, to whom are you sending the letter? The editor. The Hindu. Remember to add the article the Hindu, the Times of India. Then Bangalore 46. After that, the content of the letter. Before that, one more thing is there. Dear sir or dear madam, salutation. After dear madam, comma is there. Okay. I wish to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities through the columns of your esteemed newspaper towards the irregular water supply in Defense Colony. Here comes the locality. You should mention which locality you belong to, which area do you belong to, the name of the area to be mentioned. The next point is the problems are highlighted and it is underlined. Here you can see that most of the time the taps remain dry. Reason is water supply is made just once a week. That is one of the points. The second problem which you are facing, the residents of your locality, they are facing is the worst part of it is the supply only for 2 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. That is also a problem which the residents are facing. Two problems already stated. Besides these two problems, see, water is muddy and polluted. Because of this, what problem the residents are facing? See that they are falling sick, have fallen sick, and complaints of jaundice and typhoid after drinking this muddy water. Even the RO, that is water purifier, have stopped functioning. The reason is filters are blocked by mud. Here a lot of points are there. Minimum 2 to be written. Ensure a lot of points are there. Here the problems faced by the residents, 3 to 4 problems are mentioned in the first paragraph. Ensure minimum 2 points you have stated. The conclusion part in this connection, we can see that, okay, here the suggestions or solutions which you are giving. So requesting the higher authorities to look into this matter and take necessary action immediately to ensure clean and regular water supply is one of the solutions which you are giving. Take necessary action to ensure clean and regular water supply. One more suggestion you have given. Extend the timing, that is water supply timings, from 2 hours to 3 hours. Here it is mentioned in the morning and in the evening every day. This is one of the solutions, so that you will not find it shortage. So two solutions are given here, suggestions are given here. Ensure format of a formal letter. When you learn that, there only you have to learn 2 points, that is the problems you are facing, and 2 for the solution or suggestion. So locality also you should not forget to mention. Conclusion part, after conclusion part you have to mention the subscription. Closing subscription, yours faithfully. 2 it is mentioned. Yours truly also, as I told, yours faithfully, comma, then your full name to be mentioned. Okay, name and initial to be mentioned.